Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to unlink WhatsApp from Facebook in 2025. So, in order to do this, first of all, open Facebook on your mobile phone. Now after opening Facebook on your mobile phone, you'll have to click on your profile icon at the top right side of the screen. That will take you to this menu page. Now click on your profile here. So basically navigate to your profile and here you're going to click on this three-dotted icon just right here. Now click on edit option under profile settings. So here you will have to just click on edit icon and it will take you to this page where you'll have to just scroll down at the bottom and you will see a section that says links. Simply click on this edit icon just after links. When you click on this edit icon after links, it will take you to this edit links page where you will see your WhatsApp icon appearing just right here. Click on this edit icon, that is pencil icon after this link, and it will take you to this edit social link page. Here, you'll have to just click on remove link button available at the bottom right. Now, click on remove button again and this will instantly unlink WhatsApp from your Facebook. So, that is a simple way through which you can unlink your WhatsApp from Facebook in 2025. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.